Dear Nash family, I'm Jake Young. I'm an assistant professor of neurology and neurosurgery in the Epilepsy Division at Mount Sinai Hospital in Mount Sinai West. I'm also a researcher and a Mount Sinai lifer. I was an MD PhD here. I was a neurology resident here. I was a clinical neurophysiology fellow here, and now I'm a junior faculty member who does research and treats patients with epilepsy. And I do research into patients' other problems besides their seizures. I am also, like many of the junior faculty and faculty at Mount Sinai, one of the people who was redeployed earlier in the year to help treat COVID patients. We're all part of the Sinai family, and I thought it was the right thing to do, so I did.
Hi, I'm Helen Mayberg, a neurologist and director of the Nash Family Center for Advanced Circuit Therapeutics here at Sinai.
My name is Allison Waters, and I'm an assistant professor of psychiatry and neuroscience.
I'm Fedor Panov. I'm one of the neurosurgeons at the Mount Sinai Health System, and I lead the adult surgical epilepsy program.
Our team at Mount Sinai West would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your generous support for our exciting new collaborative project.
In these uncertain times, it is encouraging and inspiring to know that there are individuals out there thinking long-term and willing to support the neurosciences.
Optimistic stories are so important right now for our team, but also for our patients and for our families and for our extended Mount Sinai family.
Tough times will never outlast a dedicated group of physician scientists. At the core of every neuroscientist is the belief in the continuing betterment of our society through knowledge.
At the core of our efforts is to develop new understanding of the human brain to help our patients.
Your generous support will assure that research critical to bridging theoretical neurosciences with clinical applications is embraced and pushed forward.
From my perspective, it really matters that the Nash family is helping us fund these types of studies. It's really, really hard to be a junior faculty member and propose interesting, innovative science. NIH is really risk averse in the types of science that they're willing to publish. And so it mediates against people doing new, risky, interesting things to help our patients and understand how the brain works. In this setting, the Nash family's gift has been so unbelievably helpful. It helps junior faculty members like me bridge the gap into independence and do the type of work that Sinai and the scientific community want to see, do that cutting edge work that really changes the debate.
Yeah, so we want to understand how the brain senses the body or determines the state of the body, a kind of sensation we would call interoception. Because across so many different disease states, bodily distress is a characteristic. The challenge here is that the brain circuitry involved in interoception is really deep in the brain. So what we're going to have to do is combine both invasive and non-invasive methods of brain imaging.
We hope to leverage our high volume of clinical intracranial lead implantations at Mount Sinai West in patients suffering from epilepsy and psychiatric comorbidity to gather and interpret these data.
Again, we're extremely appreciative of the opportunity your support gives us to forge this exciting new collaboration.
We're so looking forward to meeting you in person to update you on our progress once safer from the pandemic perspective.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.